In Chapter 10 of Fight Club by Chuck Palahniuk, the narrator and Tyler engage in their mischievous acts as waiters at a hotel, taking a dark delight in sabotaging the meals of the wealthy and powerful patrons they serve. The chapter opens with a somewhat grotesque act of rebellion. The narrator halts an elevator between floors to allow Tyler the opportunity to urinate into a soup destined for these affluent diners. This action signifies not just a literal defilement of the food, but a metaphorical critique of the consumerist, elitist society that both characters disdain. The duo's contempt is further emphasized through their reflections on the behavior of their wealthy patrons, who frequently treat service staff with disdain, assured in the impersonal transaction that includes a tip by default, absolving them of the need to acknowledge the humanity of those serving them. Expanding on their subversive activities, Tyler's backstory reveals his initiation into acts of revolt against the materialistically obsessed. A telling incident at an upscale dinner party showcases Tyler's cunning psychological warfare against the elites, where he leaves a note for the hostess insinuating that he urinated in one of her expensive perfumes. Though he didn't actually contaminate any perfume, the suspicion alone is enough to drive the hostess to a point of frenzy, resulting in her destroying her collection and injuring herself. This act of sabotage illuminates Tyler's intent to punish those he sees as frivolously spending on luxuries, mentioning how they contribute to the endangerment of species, like whales used in the production of some perfumes. Without any real appreciation of the natural world they exploit. The climax of the chapter is reached when, back in the elevator and having concluded their unsanitary addition to the soup, the narrator reflects on the monotony that has crept into their acts of rebellion. The thrill of disrupting the lives of the opulent seems to wane, hinting at an impending pivot or escalation in their methods of undermining the societal structures they abhor. Chapter 10 is a pivotal point in Fight Club, not only showcasing the deepening relationship between the narrator and Tyler, but also setting the stage for the evolution of their disruptive activities. It offers a window into the psyche of the characters, particularly Tyler, whose radical ideologies and strategies for societal disengagement are both compelling and unsettling. The acts of sabotage, while initially seeming like mere pranks, are revealed to have deeper motivations rooted in a philosophical disdain for consumerism and a desire to dismantle societal norms. So what did you think about this video? Please leave a comment down below and let me know what books you would like to see in the next video. Signing off, this has been another Bookly Crash Course.